An on-site wastewater treatment system does not have to be old or faulty to be failing. If any of the wastewater, either treated or untreated, is leaving your property, then it's failing to do its job. All wastewater generated by your household should flow into your treatment system and then into its dispersal field. The treated wastewater, called effluent, will then either be taken up by plants and transpired, be evaporated out of the soil, or undergo further treatment by naturally occurring bacteria as it percolates through the soil. If wastewater is leaving your property, it is because the volume of wastewater generated by your household is more than can be contained within the soil of your dispersal field. Often systems operate satisfactorily in summer, but fail in winter when the soil becomes saturated from rainfall and evaporation rates are low. Any wastewater that cannot be contained within the dispersal field may form damp wastewater patches on your property or run off into local waterways or neighbouring properties, resulting in pollution and public health risks. Many properties within Melbourne cannot effectively manage their wastewater with on-site treatment systems for one or more of the following 5 reasons. The property may be too small to contain wastewater within their property boundary, causing runoff into neighbouring properties or stormwater drains. The property's soil may be high in clay content, making the ground impermeable and unable to absorb effluent. This can cause effluent to rise to the surface and pool on site or run off into local waterways. There may be a shallow rock or impermeable soil layer beneath the surface, causing wastewater to seep out onto the surface at a low point. This wastewater will eventually end up in local waterways. If your dispersal field is on a steep slope, wastewater cannot be held within the dispersal field for long enough to be absorbed, evaporated, or taken up by plants. It can seep out onto the surface or travel underground, eventually ending up in local waterways. Many properties use split systems where toilet wastewater is directed to the treatment system, but all other wastewater, including the kitchen, shower and laundry, flows through separate pipework directly into the stormwater system. This untreated grey water eventually ends up in local waterways.